Tri-Cities, Julie here with Coldwell Banker, also known as the Open House Rainmaker. I'd like to invite you to join us to this weekend's open houses. Get in the spirit. I'm sure there's an open house or two that's got Christmas tree up, because you do realize there's only like 39 days, 29 hours, 32 minutes, and possibly 30 seconds until Christmas, but who's counting? Anyways, come join us. Hope to see you there. Have a wonderful weekend. Okay, so, okay, tell me when you're ready. Help rain down on our, never mind. People, you're not allowed to leave the parking lot during business hours. Okay, we have to start over. You guys are giving me a lot of pressure. Okay. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. You think anybody's gonna notice? If I don't say anything, I'll be like,